Are you looking for the best disposable party trash cans? We've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys because we got to use this thing today and it worked so well. By the way, if you guys find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking that over for me right there. So first of all, this one is nice and large. It sits on the ground and it's already lined with a bag on the inside. So whenever it's time for your party, everybody can, one, you can see it. Like it's got all these polka dots and it's the white on there, so it really stands out nicely, and so it's very easy for people to see and be like, oh, okay, that's definitely the garbage can right there. So they can easily throw things into there, and since it's such a large capacity, especially if you're having a large party, you can get all your disposable plates and cups and forks. And we even made some pizzas, and we had these aluminum tray liners right here that we were able to cook on. We had some wrapping paper and all kind of other snack bags and whatnot in there. So it worked fantastic in our kitchen, or if you're bringing it outside, you could, it's a way to have an easy trash can outdoors that once you're done, you just simply tie this thing on up and you are good to go. It stands up nicely too, since it does have a nice big base down here, so it's not going to collapse on you. But before, if you're buying these before you actually use them, they do fold up like a paper bag, so you can store them away whenever you're not using it, because you can usually buy these in multiple packs. It does have, like I said, the pre-lined bag on there, and you just simply have a drawstring right here, so you can easily just zip this thing on up so that all the animals and whatnot can't get to it, and then you can throw that into your trash can. Like I said, the bag is nice and large because it fills this bag nicely right there. And then they also have this cardboard bottom on the piece right here so that it holds its shape along the bottom, and also if anything were to somehow get leaked out or anything, it would soak up a little bit into that, which is nice as well. Although this trash bag right here is a very, very nice like a heavy duty style of bag, so that's awesome as well. So if y'all are looking for an easy way to have a party trash can, indoor or outdoor, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all some of these right here. They work perfectly. Hey, y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that over right there. Definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for us. Y'all gonna add this to your cart if this is something that you want. I believe that they make them in a bunch of different designs and patterns and styles and sizes as well. So if y'all are looking for a particular one, definitely go and check out the product listing below, and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's gonna be the right for you. But y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all some of these if y'all are having a little party at your house. It worked great for our birthday party that we had today. All right, thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. And dad out.